Hey there, it's your buddy Dustin Vaughn, Warncke, back here from the EmpoweredLifeNation.com community. Also, we have a Facebook group. I forgot to mention that. Facebook community, you can just type in Empowered Life Nation. You should be able to find it. It's got a pretty little cover on it that I designed. But today we're going to talk about how to survive the really bad hardships, right? Some quick little reminders here of your resilience and how strong you really are, and most likely you're stronger than you think. And one of the things that I have not been that public about is that I have endured a lot of severe hardships really since COVID, post-COVID. I've gone through financial crises, I've gone through a divorce, I have symptoms and have been experiencing symptoms of PTSD. And then also in 2024, I got hit by a drunk driver, most likely, because it was a hit and run. And totaled, I'm talking a mid-size SUV, all right? Probably a Honda CR-V or something like that. Slamming into the back of my Chevy Silverado 1500 four-door crew cab pickup truck, all right? This is a big truck. Bent the axle, bent the frame, totaled it. All right, that was my dream truck at the time. All right, that I had it, owned it, been grateful for it, and you know it's okay to let it go. Whatever your dream truck is, once you own it, you know a lot of times we go find another dream truck or another dream, whatever. I want this now. I want this now. I want that. Be grateful. Be grateful for what you have. All right, that's one of the best things you can learn in surviving hardships and going through absolutely horrible, tough times. A job loss, the loss of somebody for a death in family, losing a friend, which I just recently lost, a very dear friend of mine. That was one of the really men who saw my greatness early on when I was trying to get all this stuff up and going. And again, I've gone through another accident last summer where I messed up my sciatic nerve, and so I've got to deal with that. But the one way you got to deal with the challenges as they come along. Take your medicine, especially if you've got mental health issues and that kind of stuff. And also just, when it comes to anxiety and those kind of things that some of us are facing now that may have never faced it before because of the state of our world and the kind of entropy that our society is in right now, the kind of downward spiral in a lot of ways. Most people agree that things aren't getting necessarily better in our world, they're getting worse. So you got to look at it from a different perspective, right? That's the whole thing that empowers.